Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to perfectly resize Photopea image without losing quality. So let's started. At first open your Photopea software. Now you can see, then I show the home menu page. Now we can see firstly open from any picture. Now going to the file menu option, then click. Now click from open and place option. Now find your picture. Now select from picture. Now click for open option. Now you can see open from picture in the Photopea software. Now click from confirm option. That it. Now resize your picture. Now keyboard press from Ctrl T and resize from the picture. That it's. Now you can see perfectly resize Photopea image without losing quality is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.